Kamiti ya bunge igie bajeti na ugai wa kigina ni thire na mbere na mihango ya kuhariria bajeti ya mwaka ukite wa kigina wa 2024 na 2025 kurio muthi cemanirie na kamiti ya ugai wa kigina gatagati ga thirikari nene na cia kaunti ni gwetariria mitaratara iria mendekithitie gukahuthika mwaka ukite hari ugai wa kigina.
Thank you very much.
Kamiti ino yendekithitie kigina kiria kigayagirwo thirikari cia kaunti kuongererwo na ciringi birioni 22 mwaka ukite na gukinyiria ciringi birioni 407.4 kuma ciringi birioni 385.4 iria maragairwo mwaka uyu.
The Commission is proposing to grow that allocation to county government by 22 billion from 385 to 4 or 7 billion.
Oho ni yendekithitie kweherio gwa kigina gia kumenyerera na guthondeka barabara iria ithukite kuma hari kigina kiria kigayagirwo thirikari cia kaunti. Undu uria wonekire gutungio regani munene ni abunge makihinyiriria kigina giki ni kinyitaga itemi nene hari kumenyerera mabarabara matũra-ini.
That we have agreed, even at this house, that we prioritize funds that go into serving the Kenyan people where they live. And that is why there has been a huge priority in funding our county governments, so that even when we delay our own development projects as national government, we know that the monies we are pushing to Turkana, to Muranga, to Marsabit and all the other counties, they are going to the people of Kenya.
Why would you again want to move the road maintenance levy fund to counties? I can see you want to give them as additional conditional allocation while it has been working under KERA, and it has been working. And actually, if you go to our counties, those are probably the only roads that can be seen that they are being done.
Honorable members, allow me to remind ourselves that we are sharing projected revenues. So for this year, we're here to table a recommendation to share the projected revenue for financial year 24-25. So if we don't realize that revenue, then it compromises our economic activities.
CIRINGI thigatite thirikari guthugunda njira cia kuongerera kigina kiria rogotagata magoti makiria thutha wa gukorwo ihititie kigina kiria rarongoreirie kungania mwaka uyu na makiria ma ciringi birioni 70 wona korwo ti ugwikorwo hatikaine ya kwaga kuhingia kihiri kia mibango iria marongoreirie kuhingia mwaka uyu.
And as I mentioned earlier, honorable members, is that we have missed the revenue target for the first quarter of financial year 23-24. And therefore, we need to sit back and ask ourselves, why did we miss the revenue targets for financial year 23-24?
Kamiti ino ningi ni gwetira muthianiriro wa mathire ma thirikari cia kaunti maria makinyete ciringi birioni 164.7 undu umwe na kuongerereka kwa ngombo iria bururi ukoretwo ukioya ugwati munene hari utonga wa bururi, ikiuga gukinyiria riu muigana wa mathire maya ni gicunji kia 72 hari igana gia utonga wa bururi.
But honorable members, you are in charge of controlling how faster we can grow, and therefore we should not borrow what we cannot pay, because there are repercussions if you go beyond a particular level. If you borrow carelessly, then you would actually not grow at the end of the day. So we want to grow a little faster, but we want to check how we want to grow.
Girivochara Kameme TV, Ditago Mohura, Wagunyam.